This video is for those who want to score 7 or more than that in IELTS writing. All you have to do is to avoid 3 major mistakes. So number 1 is giving your essay without proofreading. So always spare some time at the end of your writing to see if you have missed any comma or a full stop, or if you have made any spelling or grammatical mistake. Proofread your work, then give it to your examiner. Second mistake is when you start writing your essay immediately without brainstorming your ideas. So if you don't know what to write in your essay, you might get confused meanwhile, and then you can perform poorly because of less time management. Number 3 is stuffing extra vocabulary in your essay. When you write more difficult words in each line, then the reader might think that you have learned this all. And if your essay looks unnatural, then you will definitely lose scores. If you want to learn more about IELTS writing, then join Tracks.